Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to draw a line in AutoCAD. So to do it, you just have to click on this home followed by line which is in this draw group. Just click on that and this command will be activated as you can see here in this command box. Also you can use L, then press enter, then this line command will be activated. So L is the shortcut key, remember. So to draw this line, just click anywhere in this workspace and then you can move your hand where you want. Or you can type the length, whatever you want, like I'm writing 10 feet, enter. So this is 10 feet. Similarly, this side 1 feet. By giving direction, just press 1 feet, 4 feet. This way you just give direction through this cursor. Here you can see the cursor is moving in 90 degree. 90 degree this side, east, west, north side, every side 90 degree. So you can use this command that is polar. You can switch on the polar and this one is ortho. When you select ortho, then your cursor moves in 90 degree, and when you select this polar, then your cursor will give direction in 360 degree wherever you want. So this way you can draw a line, guys. Hope you like this video. Thank you. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.